In this lesson, we're going to explore the alias or aliases in GraphQL. Let's say we want to get the repository name core and the owner name .NET. So we'll pass the argument values here, and if we play this query, then we'll get the result. Let me tell you that this .NET organization is also maintaining the WPF and Windows Form repository. In short, .NET is the owner of these repositories. Suppose we want to get the data of both the .NET Core and the WPF repositories. So again, we'll copy this query and paste it here. Now this time, the owner remains the same, but we need to change the name of the repository. So we'll pass WPF here. Okay, now you'll see an error here. Let's play this query, and you'll get an error which says field repository has an argument conflict. We're getting this error because GraphQL cannot distinguish between these two queries. These two queries are taking the arguments, so GraphQL cannot differentiate between these two queries. To resolve this issue, we need an alias. Now with every query, we need to add the alias and the colon. Now alias is anything. Just add some user-friendly name here like .NET Core repository. And along with the second query, we will add WPF repository. You can provide any user-friendly name here. Let's play this query, and here we go. This time we'll get the data from both the queries in a single request. Let's say in the first query, we don't want to get the URL of the repository. So we will remove this field and execute the query. Here we go. In the first dataset, we are not getting the URL of the repository. However, in the second dataset, we're getting the URL of the repository. Alright, so that way we can work with the aliases in GraphQL. That's all from this video. Now I'll see you in the next one.